Professional Smart Antenna Tracker, SatPro. SatPro installation and flight field, analog video receiver, and data link. Inside the bag, we find the tripod and the essential accessories for the assembly of the SatPro. Tripod with a maximum height of 3.2 meters. Steel cables, tent peg, knobs to hold the SatPro head. We open the SatPro suitcase and place the SatPro head on the tripod. This system allows a complete 360 degrees rotation, to ensure precise and complete tracking of the vehicle. The SatPro housing is designed with aluminum and plastic parts. It can withstand light rain conditions. To firmly fix the SatPro head to the tripod, we screw two knobs of Metro 10. We place the two aluminum profiles on each side of the SatPro. Once in place, we secure them using the 8 bolts of metric 8x10 to ensure a firm and stable structure. Next we install the data link system, which is used to send and receive Mavlink telemetry from the autopilot, and also for SatPro to obtain the Mavlink GPS coordinates of the vehicle during the mission. In this case, the data link is connected to a TTL serial to RC bus converter, so that SatPro can read the GPS data, and also send all the telemetry data to the base station. On the other arm of the SatPro, we installed the RXVID3V2 analog video system. This receiver offers excellent performance in long-distance video transmissions, ideal for FPV applications. Here we accompany it with the 2.4 GHz and 17 dB patch antenna, to improve the range and stability of the signal. With the entire system assembled, the SatPro is now ready to work. The RXVID3V2 Video System ensures stable video transmission, while the data link allows continuous communication of Mavlink telemetry and GPS coordinates throughout the mission. In our next video, we'll see the SatPro in action, demonstrating its tracking capabilities.